Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to remove connect apps from Gmail. So let's start. So first let's go to Apple Store or your Google Store, and here let's go to the part that is our icon in the top right corner there. Just click there, and when you're here, just go to the part that says manage your Google account. Just click there, and when you do it, you will transfer to this part. Just scroll down and let's go to the part that says your data and privacy. Here you can find it. Just scroll down and you will find here all your information. For example, here the connect save Google device on services. Here just click there, and if you want to remove connect apps from your Google device, just click here and you can go to settings. For example, if you want to remove an app, you can do it. Go to settings and remove the app, or the app services, you can go there also, and then just scroll down. So for example, let's go to Alerite and just click there, and you can see here that this delete all connections you have with Alerite, and you can go to this and remove the app if you prefer. So you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.